Hello, folks. This is Harmit Mana, your host. Our topic for today is the inside you. When we look around, everybody has a body that is in different shapes and different sizes. And what really is in that body is telling us that everybody has a limitations to jump, limitations to leap, limitations to stretch, and limitations to reach. But there is one component in the body that has no limitations. It is limitless. Any guesses? Well, yeah, it's the brain, it's the mind that is limitless. It is limitless because it has no boundaries, it is limitless because it has no barriers, it is limitless because it can go anywhere to any level, any extent. And that is the mind. When we look around, we try to focus too much from the top to bottom. And we are trying to fancy the appearance, the look of it. But we forget to remember that it is actually starting from the top, starting from the mind. You must have come across people who are physically very strong, and there are people who are physically not that strong. But the people who are physically strong lose out, and the people who are physically not that strong go ahead and win a lot of things in life. And the only reason for that is that they are mentally prepared. You need to have a mental preparation to win any battle, any war that you are into. So it's not being small in size, it's not about having a body which is not that smart enough to do certain things, or not physically strong enough to probably move mountains. Even with a weak body, if you are mentally strong, if your mind is strong, you can really literally move mountains. Every individual in this world has been blessed with a gift. There's a gift in each and every one of you. And that gift is a unique gift. It is a gift which makes you stand out from others, from the rest. It's your job to explore as to what that gift is. And once you have explored and found out what that gift is, then it's your job to start working on it and to do something about it. Once you put your acts together to work on it, you will have capacity to go beyond the boundaries that you have set for yourself. Everybody can very easily see the work that you do and how you do it and how much effort you have put in. But what you don't see and what others don't see is something which determines as to how far you are going to go, how far you are going to reach. Your success depends on what you do not see. I usually hear people talking in front of the mirror and asking the question, why I am not succeeding, why I have not been able to succeed. But believe you me, it's not what you see in the mirror. It's something invisible that is the basis of you not succeeding. And that is the inner self. That is the inside you. And that is where you need to find out and you need to explore. And that is the gift that you have. Talent is not enough. You should know what the talent is, what that gift is, and how you're going to work on it. You need to find out what it is and then decide about going and working on it to help you reach to that next level, to help you go to that next level. It's what you do not see matters the most. It's the gift, that unique gift within you, which you need to explore to be successful. It's how you see inside you, that unique gift that you have already with you. And when you explore that, you start working on it. And once you start working on it, That is where it determines your next level. That is what determines your success. That is what determines your achievements in life. So, my dear friends, it's not outside you. Please try to explore that unique gift that has been inculcated in your body. Work on it and see how successful you become in life. It's all about the inside you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and press the bell icon. Thank you.